With Marks Factory, you can create IDEs for your favorite tools. This is an IDE for Tailor, and you have access to our first version of Tailor running on both JavaScript and EVM. And we can click on Auto Execute so we can have a live preview of the results. And we see that we get the same result both on JavaScript and EVM. If we use the plus function, which exists only on JavaScript, we see that the results are not the same. And only the EVM version has the config function. We can also try out the current in-work version of Tailor, available only for JavaScript now. And we can also see the bytecode encoding of the code. This is the code that ends up getting interpreted by the EVM.